Welcome back, friend, in yet another chapter of Photoshop Masterclass, and in previous video we have learned more about Marquee tool and its use. Today we are looking forward to Photoshop tool, Lasso tool. This is the third tool of Photoshop. In this tool you can get Lasso tool, Polygonal Lasso tool and Magnetic Lasso tool. To interchange tool, just right-click on tool and you will see other lasso tools. You can use shortcut L or use Shift+L to change lasso tool itself. If you select lasso tool, you can now draw freehand selection on image, which will help us to cut out or to make editing for particular area. But keeping hands stable is too hard, so this selection will give rough selection. After making selection, Photoshop gives us permission to correct the selection, i.e., we can move selection using arrow keys. Next, selection is Polygonal Lasso tool, by which we get permission to click, then move and select as shown. But this tool too has limitations as it doesn't make curves. And our last but not least, Magnetic Lasso tool, is best among lasso, as name suggests it sticks to selection and you can make straight selections or curves with this as shown. Okay, after making selection you need to complete selection by clicking on starting point of selection, and then, copy or paste, or duplicate image, which we have studied in previous Move tool chapter. So, today we have understood some things about Photoshop's Lasso tool and you too can start working with Photoshop, right? Now, go ahead and start selecting, editing and have fun. Okay then. We will meet in next chapter with Photoshop's tool known as More Selection tool and options. And now it's me, Bhavin Paleja, saying you goodbye and meet you soon. Till that time, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.